Hi everyone, if you have any HP DeskJet printer and you are facing the issue E0 error and all lights are blinking, how to fix this problem? We have to reset printer. This again, wireless button and cancel button until you will see power lights start flashing. And now it's stable now, right? Now we will turn off the printer and will turn back on again. Turn back on. And you can see there is no E0 error. Printer has been resetted successfully. There is no more E0 error. You have to press and hold wireless button and cancel button together. If you have any other question regarding HP DeskJet, ask in the comments. Thank you for watching. All the best.